Itigarite o thiku 33 githurano kinene gitafanio ciama itiganite no ithiete na mbere na wimathiri wa kura kaunti-ini ya Homa Bay. Ngwataniro ya mung'ethaniro ikwambite hema na gikundi kia mbeu njithi kuria munini wa mutongoria wa ODM Ali Hassan Joho oririe nyanaki icio inyite mbaru Raila Odinga.
I want you to join hands. Join hands and look at the bigger picture. Unajua sahihi hata ukuwe nani, if we know you by name, na ulipigana na Junet Mohamed Sunais, who will remember you, who will remember you when Raila Odinga comes here as president, atajua ule ni ule fulani.
What we hope to do is to fire them up, to go out there and be sure to be the ones to get out voters to vote 100%. We are serious, we are 10 million strong, and we want every last voter to vote.
Nake Musalia Mudavadi auma kanitha-ini umwe mwena wa Rungai na oya kanya kau kuga kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka ni agiriirwo ni gutigirira register ya aikia a kura ni athuri wega.
Tunataka IEBC wawe clear kwa sababu mambo ya uchaguzi is a matter of life and death. Mkiharibu uchaguzi unaharibu security ya taifa, na sisi hatutaki security yetu hapa Kenya iharibike.
Kungi nakuo mubunge wa Rugari Ayub Savura ni amenereirie thirikari ya Jubilee akiuga iri na ungumania muingi thengia wao kuga NASA iraheo mbeca cia kungumanio.
So if they are targeting Jimmy Wanjigi, they should target him as an individual, but as ANC we are corruption free.
Atongoria cio ni moriria Kenya makanyita mbaru mutongoria wa Raila Odinga makiuga niwe ungihota kurehe ugaruruku bururi-ini. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, nie njitagwo Maina wa Mwangi.